Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. OLeary is a small town in western Prince Edward Island, located in Prince County about halfway between Summerside and the island's northwestern tip. With a population of about 800 people, it serves as an important commercial and service center for the surrounding rural communities. The town is surrounded by productive farmland and is known across Canada for its strong connection to the potato industry. Long before European settlement, the area was home to the Mi'kmaq, who traveled throughout Prince Edward Island for thousands of years. During the early 1800s, settlers began clearing the forests and establishing farms. As agriculture expanded, OLeary gradually developed into a local trading center with stores, schools, churches, and businesses that supported the growing farming population. The arrival of the railway later helped the town grow by making it easier to transport agricultural products across the island and beyond. Agriculture remains the backbone of the local economy. Prince County produces some of the highest quality potatoes in Canada, and the farms surrounding OLeary are among the most productive on the island. Potatoes are grown for both fresh markets and food processing, while farmers also produce grain, hay, soybeans, and other crops. Dairy and beef farming continue to play an important role, contributing to the region's diverse agricultural economy. One of OLeary's best-known attractions is the Canadian Potato Museum. The museum celebrates the history of potato farming in Prince Edward Island and explains how the crop became one of the province's most important industries. Visitors can learn about farming equipment, potato varieties, harvesting methods, and the impact that agriculture has had on local communities and the provincial economy. OLeary also benefits from its location near several coastal communities. While the town itself is inland, many residents have family or employment connections to nearby fishing harbors. Lobster fishing, oyster harvesting, seafood processing, and marine transportation all contribute to the regional economy, creating a close relationship between agriculture and the fishing industry throughout Prince County. Housing in OLeary remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. In recent years, the average price of a home has generally ranged from about $280,000 to $370,000, depending on the property's size, condition, and location. Larger homes on acreage or newer properties may sell for more, while older homes are often available at lower prices. Today, OLeary remains one of Western Prince Edward Island's most important rural communities. Its success continues to be built on agriculture, supported by local businesses, modern services, and a strong sense of community. With productive farmland, a rich agricultural history, and the famous Canadian Potato Museum, OLeary represents an important part of the story of Prince Edward Island and the industries that continue to shape the province today.
Thanks for watching!